I'm so excited. We're in Costa Mesa. We're at South Coast Plaza, and I'm lucky enough to have one of the members of the ownership family, Anton Segerstrom. And Anton, tell me about this palm collection you have.
The origin is with Dr. Vance, who has lived in Beverly Hills and started collecting exotic palms in the 40s and the 50s. That's the base of the collection. We acquired that collection. So some of the trees, like a Kentia palm behind us, these are not the largest on the property, but we have Kentia palms that are over 60 years old. We also are known for an extraordinary collection of royal palms. Royal palms are native to Cuba and southern Florida. So to find a collection of this size and this magnitude is really unusual this far north.
Anton's going to show us a secret spot here at South Coast Plaza. Let's go take a look. So where are you taking me? This is like a secret space.
Well, it is, Pat. It is a little bit of a secret, secret space.
Oh my
a little
God.
Uncommon for shopping centers to have this kind of a landscape.
What are these
Well,
guys?
you've got a palm from Uruguay, which is amazing. Now this one's from Mexico.
Okay.
This is just generally a Mediterranean palm.
Right.
But yeah, the lady palm, which is back here, and
Oh my gosh, this is
yeah,
like...
isn't it great?
This is like Gilligan's Island.
Yeah,
We're going to
it really
Gilligan's
is.
Island.
It really is. On our website, there is information, but I would invite anybody who's interested to go to one of our concierge. We have a printed palm guide. It's a map.
I saw that. That's
So it's a
exceptional.
self-guided tour, and that's probably the best way to unlock the collection.